This apparatus, you can tell it's broke. But called fiber weld. So 7, 8, 9. So I can feel it already reacting. So we're gonna set a timer. I'm gonna try to hold it up like this. And then we're gonna let it, I believe if you was to bend on it too much. Oh, what's up guys? We're gonna do another episode of Can We Fix It? I've got this apparatus, and you can tell it's broke, but it still works. So, if I had a way to secure this, so I started looking, and I found this product called Fiber Weld. It's a permanent repair cast. And so the idea is you put this putty on there, and then you mix up, activate this fiber, you wrap it around here, and it's supposed to be as good as new. So we're going to test it out and see how it works. Stick with us. Some gloves, and we got some stretch mesh. This looks like something you would like vat bandage tape for horses. The instructions say prep and clean area from oil and grease. Wear gloves provided. It says open pouch and submerge wrap in room temperature water for 5 to 10 seconds. Activate resin. Wrap the damaged area. Wrap tightly as possible without slipping. Use the entire roll. Apply at least 5 layers over the break itself and 2 to 4 inches of wrap on each side. Secure. Apply included bandage strapping around the wrap to secure it in place. Remove bandage after 5 minutes. Wait at least 15 minutes for product to cure for applying pressure. So I'm guessing this is the bandage strap, and I'm guessing there's feels like there's a wrap in here. It says open the pouch and submerge the wrap in room temperature water so I gotta go get me some room temperature water. I'm just gonna use it. So this stuff has a goop on it. It says 5 to 10 seconds is all it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 inches for good, two more seconds for good measure. Okay, and this is like a fiberglass wrap. And it says to do about 5 wraps over the bandage site, I believe it said. I'm gonna try to pull it tight. It's pretty messy. All right, let's get this out now. Now that we got the other stuff on it. And this stuff stretches. So I'm trying to pull it pretty tight. I can already feel the product getting warm. So I can feel it already reacting. This is kind of hard to keep. Keep it wide. It's a wide piece of bandage, but once you pull it tight, So it's bubbling. You can kind of, it's really sticky. Let me take my gloves off and I'll give you a close-up. So the instructions say to remove the bandage after 7 minutes. So we're going to set a timer. It's been 7 minutes. It says to remove it, the wrapping. I'm going to try to hold it up like this. Let's do this. And then remove the wrapping like this. It's already starting to set up. I can tell it's getting... This is going to be tough to even remove the wrapping, I think. Alright. If you're going to remove the wrap, you better do it before 7 minutes, because this wrapping has become part. The epoxy or whatever has bubbled through the wrapping and it's all become one. And it says 15 minutes, but man, it is strong already. I mean, it dried a little bit crooked. I can deal with that. Had a little bit of glue inside of there, but it just broke loose. Need to tighten that up. So what happened was my wife hung this on the lawnmower and broke it, and so I was trying to think of a way I could salvage it, and this looks like it's going to be good. I'm going to let it set for another, it says set for 15 minutes. And then we're going to let it set. This is a 4-foot reach, which I like it because I don't have to get off the lawnmower. And it's a really good one. I've butchered 2 of these. The first time the company replaced it. So it's been over 15 minutes, probably closer to 20 minutes. And this stuff is hard as a rock. And I believe if you was to bend on it too much, that you would end up breaking the metal again. This is, I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but for what it is, I can still use my tongs. So I would say that's a very positive review on the fiber weld, the JB Weld Fiber Weld. So can we fix it? We just did.